Have you ever been in an airport, a meeting, or just texting a friend and struggling to find the right words? You know the grammar, but the natural phrase just won't come. In this episode, we are unlocking 50 useful phrase sentences for exact those moments. Are you ready? Let's begin. Part 1 is about texting and digital communication. Number 1. I just saw your message. Sorry for the delay. This means you are replying late. You use this when you were busy or offline. It is a polite and casual way to answer. I just saw your message. Sorry for the delay. Now you repeat. Is it okay if I send a voice note? I'm in a rush. You are asking to send a voice message instead of typing. Use this if you are walking, driving, or busy and cannot type a long text. Is it okay if I send a voice note? I am in a rush. You can reply whenever you can. No pressure. This tells the person there was no hurry to answer. Use this when we know they are busy. It is a kind and understanding things to say. You can reply whenever you can. No pressure. I will reply to you after my meeting. This means you are busy now. That will answer later. It is a professional and polite way to delay your response. I will reply to you after my meeting. Now you repeat. I misunderstood the message at first. Now you repeat. You said this when you read a message wrong. It is a light, funny way to correct your mistake. I misunderstood the message at first. Now you repeat. Let's continue this over email. This chat is too long. This means the conversation is too detailed for texting. Use this for work or complicated plans. Emails is better for long messages. Let's continue this over email. This chat is too long. Now you repeat. I'm sorry if my message sounded wrong. Text can be confusing. You say this to clarify your tone. Use it if you think someone might misunderstand your feelings in a text. I'm sorry if my message sounded wrong. Text can be confusing. I think we are confused. Can we have a quick call? This means the text conversation is not clear. Asking for a call is faster and helps avoid mistakes. I think we are confused. Can we have a quick call? Can you send it again? I didn't get the file. Use this when someone sends a document or picture, but you cannot see it. It is a common technical problem. Can you send it again? I didn't get the file. Hello, just checking. Do you have any news? This is a polite way to ask for an update. You use it to remind someone without being pushy. Hello, just checking. Do you have any news? Part 2 is about travel and airports. Do I need to take my laptop out for security? You ask this at the security checkpoint. It helps you follow the rules and avoid problems. Do I need to take my laptop out for security? Is this the correct line for the international flights? You ask this to make sure you are in the right queue. Airports are big and this saves time. Is this the correct line for international flights? Excuse me, I think this might be my seat. This is a polite way to tell someone they are in your seat on a plane or train. Excuse me, I think this might be my seat. Do you know if there is a place to refill a water bottle? Use this to find free water. It is common in modern airports and saves money. Do you know if there is a place to refill a water bottle? Could you help me put this back overhead? This is a polite request for help with a heavy bag on a plane. Could you help me put this back overhead? My flight has been delayed again. You say this to share your frustration. Use it when texting a friend or family member who is waiting for you. My flight has been delayed again. Is it possible to change to a window seat? You can ask this politely at the check-in counter or gate if you prefer a different seat. Is it possible to change to a window seat? What are the rules for carry-on bags on this airline? You ask this to know the size or weight limit for your bag. It helps you avoid extra fees. What are the rules for carry-on bags on this airline? I have very short time between flights. Can I board early? Explain your situation to the gate agent. That might help you board first to catch your next flight. I have very short time between flights. Can I board early? I'm sorry, I didn't know this was the priority line. This is an apology for standing in the wrong queue. It shows you did not mean to make a mistake. I'm sorry, I didn't know this was the priority line. Please use your words instead of shouting. It teaches a child to speak calmly when they are upset. Please use your words instead of shouting. Let's try that again with a quieter voice. You say this to ask a child to be less loud, especially inside. Let's try that again with a quieter voice. Great job solving the problem by yourself. This praises a child for being independent and smart. Great job solving the problem by yourself. It's okay to be upset, but we must not hit. This accepts the child's feelings, but stops bad behavior. It's okay to be upset, but we must not hit. Let's stop for a moment and try again when you are calm. This gives a child a break when they are too emotional or frustrated. Let's stop for a moment and try again when you are calm. Do you want help or do you want to try alone first? This offers support but lets the child decide if they need it. Do you want help or do you want to try alone first? Please listen with your whole body, your eyes and ears. This means to pay full attention. Teachers and parents use this often. Please listen with your whole body, your eyes and ears. That was a very kind thing to do. I am proud of you. This praises a child for a good behavior, like sharing or helping. That was a very kind thing to do. I am proud of you. Let's see what we can learn from this mistake. You say this to turn a bad situation into a lesson without being angry. Let's see what we can learn from this mistake. How can we solve this problem together? This asks the child to help find a solution. It makes them part of the team. How can we solve this problem together? Part 4 is for online work and collaboration. Please tell me when you have reviewed it. This is a polite way to ask someone to look at a document you sent. Please tell me when you have reviewed it. Can I share my screen for a moment? You ask this on a video call before showing your computer screen to others. Can I share my screen for a moment? I will put the link in the chat for everyone. This means you will share a website address in the messaging part of the call. I will put the link in the chat for everyone. I am following up on this. Do you have any news? This is a professional way to remind someone about a task without being rude. I am following up on this. Do you have any news? I'm sorry, you were on mute. Can you say that again? This is a very common thing to say on video calls when someone's microphone is off. I'm sorry, you were on mute. Can you say that again? Should we continue this discussion over email? You say this when a chat or call is too long, complex, or needs a written record. Should we continue this discussion over email? I have added all the new changes to the document. It tells your team that a shared file is now up to date. I have added all the new changes to the document. Can we have a quick meeting after this call? This suggests a short private discussion with a colleague after the main meeting. Can we have a quick meeting after this call? And that is all for today. 50 practical sentences to make your English sound more natural. If you liked this episode, please follow, share, or leave a review. It helps other learners find us. Thank you for listening. Until next time.